In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn handwritten text into Notion pages using a fast method. Whether you're a student jotting down notes in a lecture or someone capturing thoughts on the go, converting those handwritten notes into digital form can streamline your workflow and ensure nothing important is ever lost. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need access to Notion, one of the most versatile workspace tools out there for organizing your personal and professional life. Go to the Notion website and make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll find it straightforward to create an account and start exploring its features. Once you're in, the next step is to download the Notion Web Clipper. This handy tool allows you to save anything you find on the web directly into your Notion workspace. Locate the Web Clipper download link, which is typically available under the Tools or Extensions section of the Notion website. This extension is compatible with all major browsers, making it easy to install regardless of whether you use Chrome, Firefox, or any other popular option. After downloading the Web Clipper, follow the prompts to complete the installation. You'll know it's properly installed when you see its icon appear in the corner of your browser toolbar. This little button will become an essential part of our conversion process. Now that your Notion Web Clipper is ready to go, you need to open it. Simply click on the Web Clipper icon in your browser toolbar. The extension will prompt you to log into your Notion account, if you haven't already done so, to sync everything seamlessly. With the Web Clipper open, the next step is to bring your handwritten notes into the digital world. Typically, people use apps or scanners to take pictures of their handwritten texts, converting them into digital images. If you have these images saved on your device, you're ready to proceed. Navigate to the location of your scanned handwritten notes, whether they're stored locally on your computer or saved in a cloud storage solution like Google Drive or Dropbox. Open the file containing your notes, and using the Web Clipper, you can capture the content by clicking the Save to Notion button. This action clips the document and transfers it into your Notion workspace. In your Notion account, the clipped content will appear as a new page or within the directory you specified. The beauty of Notion is its powerful organization capabilities, so feel free to rename the page, add tags, or move it into a specific folder to keep everything tidy. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've transformed your handwritten notes into a digital format, easily accessible and organized in Notion. This method not only saves time, but also helps keep all your valuable information at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!